So if you want to go ahead and announce something to your class, then you need to first of all open a classroom that you want to announce something to, and then you can see that announce something to your class is an option over here. If I were to go around and click right here, then what I can do is I can go around and make an announcement over here. For example, I can go around and say, hello students, welcome to class right here. So you can simply go around and say, hello students and welcome to class. Let me add in an extra exclamation mark right here, and then you can click on post right here. So once you do that, what happens is that a post is made, and you can see the timestamp over here as well, and you can see the message over here. So the students will be able to add a class comment and see the message as long as it is turned on for them. So they can of course see the message, but they can add in a comment as long as it is turned on for them. Similarly, I'm going to go around and say, please do submit your assignments by next week right here, just like this. And if I were to click on post, then what happens is that that particular announcement will be posted as well. And that is simply how you can start making out announcements inside of Google Classroom and send out announcements to your students via Google Classroom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.